The sun is right in my face, but I have to do this. Today we're gonna have some African meals, so please join me. Please join me as I get to visit some African meals. Hey there, welcome back. This is Brian of Bryans Musings. Karibu sana. Karibu. Welcome. That's Swahili for welcome. So today I've come to Happy Garden. It's in Pak Kret area of Nonthaburi province. Actually, are we in Nonthaburi or Bangkok? I'm not really sure. But anyways, I've come to Happy Garden. It's owned by a friend of mine. His name is Diaby. So we're gonna have lots of fun here. We're gonna do lots of cooking. We're gonna have so much fun interacting with fellow Africans. But don't you worry, the language of communication still remains English, because we're gonna have people from different nationalities. So please do join me and Diaby, whom I'm gonna introduce to you in a bit. All right, so yeah, welcome. This is Happy Garden. I came here much earlier so as to get Diaby in his natural elements. So this is the first section of the restaurant. So what's happening here, Diaby?
We trying to marinate the fish, make it ready for. So I told you, cut the fish like this, and inside too, you know, for a reason, to put the dressing goes, and you can mix. This is salt, just a little bit, put on top.
So where do you get your fish from?
From the local market, they deliver to me. So it depends when I have orders, call them, then they'll deliver. Put a little bit salt in there. Both sides, put a little bit in there, not too much. Yeah, this is the chili sauce I make on the side. So some people don't like chili, so we do it without any chili.
Do it
Separately, and we don't use any oil when we are making the barbecue. We do fresh. The fish itself will bring the oil and mix it when you are grilling it.
It uses its own oil.
Yeah, we don't use oil. The spicy sauce, this is what people love the most.
Now. Ben, come on.
We cannot put fish here.
Why?
Yeah, it's the fire is still hot. You know, it's like you have to wait until the charcoal finish burning.
Yeah, the smoke goes away.
The smoke goes away, and the heat, that's the what we need. If you put the fish now, it will all burn, not be well ready. So we let the smoke go out, let it be for a while, like 10-20 minutes. When the fire is about to go off, then you put the fish.
Really? So we're gonna be back.
Yeah. this so that the whale, in order to rub down, like 10 to 15 minutes, it should be ready to serve. So now we leave it on the heat like this.
Okay.
It's almost done.
Look at that. Yeah.
So see the
Yeah. So in 15 minutes, I'm
Yeah,
going
that-
to
yeah,
devour
yeah.
this fish.
this the plantain that will go with the fish. Plantain is like we call in Africa plantain. It's like banana, the big banana. Yeah. Yeah. This one goes with the fish.
So you just fry it and that's it.
Yeah, fry it
Do
and
you
that
add
is it.
anything?
After frying it, I will make some sauce, onion sauce on top of it. This one is a stewed chicken. This one goes with the rice because it's this is the most people like the most. You know, the stew is the best.
Are you sure? No,
Yeah.
because I think I like the fish more.
You try the stew too. You
No,
try
I've
this.
eaten the chicken before, but
No, I never tried.
personally I like the fish.
No, I never tried the stew before. I don't think you tried the stew before. You know, it has to be like this. You know, because like if you mix so much and whatever to not bring the shape, you know, you have to let it fry by itself, taking it by its time. The stew also is almost ready. The only thing left now to just let it cook by itself until the oil comes up,
And the soup is nice and thick.
and then the taste is the best. You can give it a try. And then it's not yet done. It's hot. Just finish. Yeah, just let it finish. That is it. Just serving now. Only
So the fish is ready, the grilled fish.
the fish is ready. The plantain is ready. Yeah, there's only two things left:
What?
the onion sauce and then the.
So we have rice, Diaby,
The stew.
chicken stew. We have good company. Are you gonna say a prayer, Diaby?
No, I don't say the prayers.
You
God
have
is
to say a
good.
prayer.
God has blessed. Let's go. Make a prayer.
What are you doing? I don't pray.
Yeah. Be similar. That's all.
We trust you as a cook. We don't have to pray.
Yeah.
I don't pray. Diaby, where is that? Where is the other thing?
Which one?
Not the right.
Oh, akeke.
DJ Styles.
Try this.